ظلام الليل وجدت النور باسمك يا رسول الله. I was lost in my worries, deep inside, searching for peace, nowhere to hide. Then I remembered your gentle way, and my heart began to pray. You taught us mercy, you taught us truth, you gave the world its living proof. When I say your name, I feel so strong. Ya Muhammad, where I belong. My beloved Prophet, I follow your light in my heart, in my soul, day and night. When I'm weak, you make me stand. With your sunnah I understand. Ya Habibi, Ya Rasul Allah, نورك في القلب ما شاء الله. كلما ضاقت بي الدنيا نلت رحمة من ربي الله. When the world feels heavy and I can't breathe, I remember your words and I believe that patience is power, faith is the key, and Allah's mercy will cover me. You cried for Ummah, you made dua, you loved us more than we ever are. So I send my prayers across the sky, peace upon you till the day I die. My beloved Prophet, I follow your light in my heart, in my soul, day and night. When I'm weak, you make me stand. With your sunnah I understand. Ya Habibi, Ya Rasul Allah, نورك في القلب ما شاء الله. كلما ضاقت بي الدنيا أنت رحمة من ربي الله. صلوا عليه وسلموا تسليما، هو الشفيع يوم القيامة عظيما. يا رب اجعلنا من أهل المدينة، واكتب لنا حب النبي يقينا. Oh Allah, make me close to Him, keep my heart away from sin. Let me walk the path He showed, and meet Him on that final road. My beloved Prophet, you are the way, you are the hope, you are my day. I will love you till my last breath, and I'll say your name till death. Ya Rasul Allah, ya خير البشر, حبك في القلب مثل قمر. صلى عليك الله ما دامت الحياة، يا شفيع الأم في كل الجهات. اللهم صل وسلم على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين.